the Cesena model, and this is 2,800 square feet, 4 beds, 3.5 baths, and then you have a 3-car garage, and the base price starting is just a little bit over $1 million. Coming out of this beautiful glass office. So this is towards the front entrance. We're going back to the front of the house. There are 2 bedrooms over here. One is a next gen, so you got kitchen, everything. Check it out. All right, now we're coming into the living area. You know, you have the living room over here. You have the kitchen over here. Check it out. Beautiful waterfall edge. So stepping out to the backyard, double stacking doors, no corner, which is nice. We have a patio cover here, and then you have the fireplace. So now we're going towards this side of the house, the east side of the house, and then we have another office here. It's beautiful, it's nice, a lot of white. Now entering the primary, nice tile wall back here, matching the wall behind the bedroom as well. All right, in the primary bathroom, you got dual sinks, quartz countertop, you got a nice backsplash, matching the shower as well. All right, so that's the end of the tour to this video. If you're just tuning in, this is actually the 3rd part of the Pulte Homes Carmel Cliffs edition. So go ahead and go to my channel and check out the part 1 and part 2. If you want to see more, follow me, like and subscribe. And of course, you can reach out to me at dallastung@kwvegas.com, 702-686-1668. Thank you. Stop now.